Basic English in Nutrition, Unit 2, Activity 2, Verb to be and Verb tenses, Moment 2. The Eat Well Guide is a didactic tool that shows the proportion in which different types of foods are needed to have a well-balanced and healthy diet. It's based on the main food groups that together provide a healthy diet. The Eat Well Guide is intended for most people regardless of weight, dietary restriction, preference, or ethnic origin. It is applied for people between age 2 to 5 years and people with special dietary requirements of medical needs. In this case, they might need to check with a registered dietitian on how to adapt the Eat Well Guide to meet their individual needs. The Eat Well Guide is divided in 5 groups. They are fruit and vegetables, potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and other starchy carbohydrates. Dairy and alternatives like milk, cheese, yogurt, and fromage frais. Oil and spreads, beans, pulse, fish, eggs, meat, and other proteins. We can use the Eat Well Guide to help you make healthy choices whenever you're deciding what to eat, at home cooking, out shopping for groceries, eating out in a restaurant, cafe, or canteen, choosing food on the run. The recommendations for each group are: eat at least 5 portions of a variety of fruit and vegetables every day. Base meal on potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and other starchy carbohydrates, choosing whole grain versions where possible. Have some dairy alternatives such as soya drinks, choosing lower fat and lower sugar options. Eat some beans, pulses, fish, eggs, meat, and other proteins. Choose unsaturated oil and spreads and eat in small amounts. What about daily hydration? The recommendation is to drink from 6 to 8 cups or glasses of fluid a day. Food labels can help us to choose between foods and to pick those that are lower in calories, fat, saturated fat, sugar, and salt. Essentially, food labels are there to provide us with basic information about what is in the food we eat. The food labels tell us which nutrients and what amounts are in a product. Warn us if a food contains food allergens. Inform us if the food is fresh or out of date. Explain how to store, prepare, or cook the food we buy. List product ingredients. Provide information on where the food was produced and by which company. How many calories per day a person over 11 years old needs? A person over 11 years old needs 2,500 kcals if it's male, and 2,000 kilocalories if it's female.